Hello, everybody. I just want to give you a brief overview on what you will see after you take your initial test. I took this under the pseudonym of April La Chienne, April the dog, if you took French, and basically I had used my dog's name for this. So, as you can see, we have a lot of green here. This indicates that 100% of mastery was achieved. Now, as we go down, and this is just the first tier, you see decimals. Now, decimals has this green box with a white square in it. That means I'm doing well, but there are things that are untested. So as you can see, when you go over each box, it will indicate the subject matter that you need to master. And over here, I have not been assessed. I have not been tested on estimating with decimals. Same thing here with measurements. I know my lengths. Weight has not been tested yet. The same for capacity. However, metric I'm good in, converting the metric system, and how to use metric when doing problems. Again, the whites just mean that I haven't been tested yet. So I'm going to go down to tier 3. Now, in this case, April had an initial score for this unit, and she's been working along. So let's look at some details here. So my yellow box indicates that April does need help. Basically, she has gotten between a 50 and a 99 on various topics. So in this case, she's going to need help with rational expressions. April did a good job in multiplying and dividing. She did a great job in adding. But April has a red. So this means that when it comes to square roots, completing the square, she scored less than 50% of the questions asked on her diagnostic test. She did well in factoring, she did well in system of equations, but let's just take, here's functions, another example. Did a good job of identifying them. Evaluating functions was not tested, and graphing definitely is not her strong suit. So I'm going to pop in on functions here, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So in order for April to do well, she's going to need to devote at least 2 hours. Now, as you can see, she's practiced, she's got the identifying functions, evaluating functions right now. I'm going to hold off on initially. I want to go into the graphing. So obviously our April here needs loads of help. So you're going to click on Learn. And in Learn, you're going to have a warm-up, which will give you some questions. You will have a presentation. You will have worked examples. I'm just going to go in here super quick so you can see what's happening.
We're asked to graph the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 4. And we'll do it by really just sampling some points.
So right here, ladies and gentlemen, what you are doing is you are just basically going over, have a human tell you what's happening. And that's it in a nutshell for that one. And then, as I said, when you get back in, after you do that, you have worked examples, you'll have like a cheat sheet, you'll get to practice, you get some more review, and then you go on and you take the particular test for this area. I hope that this is helpful and explained it to you. If you have any questions, please email me.